Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add money on your Venmo through your bank account. I'll be guiding you throughout this process. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to log into your account. After you're logged into your account, next interface, tap on the try bar icon located in the top right. On the other interface, you have a list of options. So from the list, tap on payment method. After you tap on payment method on the other interface, you'll have to add or link your bank account. So then tap on add bank or card, which is right at the bottom. So after you tap on it, once again right at the bottom there's a drop down menu. So from there you'll have to tap on bank, and once you tap on bank on the other interface, you'll have to provide all the information regarding your bank account, and if the provided information are correct, and then on the other interface you'll successfully link your bank account to your Venmo. After you linked your bank account, once again open up your Venmo application. So after that, tap on the U menu, and once you tap on the U menu on the other interface, tap on transfer and trade, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you tap on trade and transfer, right at the bottom you'll have a drop down menu. So from there you'll have to tap on add money. So on the other interface you'll have to enter the amount, and after you're done entering the amount, tap on done, which is right in the corner. So once again confirm all the information, and once you're done, tap on add money, which is right at the bottom, and then the money will be added to your Venmo account. So that is how you can add money on your Venmo through your bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.